Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a video on the new ElleeBalm Lami ElleeBalm adhesive. I have really fallen in love with this product over the past few months and have incorporated it in almost all of my lash lift treatments. Today I'm going to be showing you how I like to apply it and maybe some tips and tricks on how you guys can get the best results. Make sure when dishing out ElleeBalm, you squeeze from the bottom up with the tube facing up to avoid putting too much pressure on the nozzle. You really don't need a bunch of product, just a small dab in your Ellie palette will do. On my model here, I'm using a Flex Shield size small. I like to apply a decent amount of the balm on the base of the rod or shield. You can do this with a brush, micro swab, doe foot applicator, or honestly whatever you have on hand. Even though the balm makes lash wrapping super quick and easy, I still like to work in sections to make sure everything is evenly applied and separated. My favorite technique to use to get a perfect lash wrap is first pulling the lashes up with the pick side of my precision lifter, then using the comb side to separate. Be careful when separating with the comb side that you don't accidentally wipe off too much of the ElleeBalm, causing the lashes to pop off. Make sure to go through and wipe off any visible excess product. Go to the front of your client or use a dental mirror to see the base of the lashes. This is where excess product loves to hide. Gently feather the product onto the lashes. ElleeBalm allows you to easily lift and separate the lashes, but you don't want to accidentally move them around during this step after you adhered them perfectly. I'm removing the solution on the inner corners first since they are slightly thinner and need less processing time. It's totally normal for the lashes to pop off the rod during the removal of the lotions. ElleeBalm is water soluble, so water-based solution will loosen the hold on some lashes, causing them to pop off. If needed, apply a thin layer of ElleeBalm to the top area of the rod or shield and re-adhere the lashes that have popped off.